Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 21, the 21st of my yarn advent calendar. So let's get into it. Here, 21. It feels big. Wow, look at the size of that. Holy moly, that is massive. Oh, look at, oh wow, it is huge. Look next to my head on this side. Holy crow. This is huge. It is so lovely too. That, I love the earthy colors and that, like the browns and the beige, and these have like the kind of a beige color, tanny beigey in there, and the brown, which is perfect. I love this color. Oh, look. Wow. And it's so squishy. I can just squeeze it. Woo, so nice. I love it. I love those colors. And I feel something else inside. Oh, look. I'm not sure what that is. Where's that side? That side. Okay, so let's read that. We have After 8 hot chocolate. Oh, wow. I have made with pure cocoa. I have never, ever, it's by Nestea. I've never seen After 8 hot chocolate before. Wow. Is that ever nice? Ooh. Oh, they're gonna love that. My husband's gonna probably want that one because he loves After Eights. Actually, just bought him a thing of After Eights. Oh, and look! Oh, this one is Rolo. Oh, I love Rolos. Look, so that's perfect because my husband and my daughter both love hot chocolate, so they get one each. Isn't that nice? Oh. Yum. I bet you that's going to smell so good. And there's still something else in here. Oh, look, a crochet hook. Awesome. Isn't that lovely? Look. Oh, wow. I don't have a lot of crochet hooks at all. And this is a 10 millimeter. So perfect to go along with this. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to make. I really don't know what actually what I thought right off the bat. I mean, yeah, it would be great to make like a sweater out of this, and I'm not sure if I would have enough, for a little person. Yeah, like a little child. But I'm thinking a rug next to the side of my bed because we have browns and stuff in our room. Like throughout the house, actually, we have brown curtains all over in the house and black rods and, black couch and whatnot. And in our bedroom, we have brown, the same thing, brown curtains, black rod, and we have black comforter. And there's some tan colors and brown up in all over. So this would actually be really nice next to the bed. And I could crochet a nice maybe oval pattern because there's not like a lot of room between my side of the bed and where the closet is, and it would be perfect. It would fit there. They would make a nice size just for this. And if I needed to, I have other brown yarns that I could add and other tans and maybe do a nice solid brown border around it and have this be the middle part. Oh, that's an idea. I think I'm gonna have to do that. So if anybody knows of a nice crocheted oval rug, not too hard, because I am a novice at crocheting. Like, God, I'm even too embarrassed to show you some of the things that I crocheted because I'm trying really hard to get better. And I started off as a knitter, so I am trying to get into crocheting. Well, not trying to get into crochet. I'm trying to get my crochet ability up there, and trying to kick it up and trying to like be able to make something that looks decent and isn't all wonky and misshapen and that, because that's basically how it's been. So an easy pattern for me, And this being bulky yarn and a big hook, it'll be easier for me. And because, you know, I'd really like to do a crocheted one, because my dream is to be able to crochet like all you wonderful crocheters out there. Oh my gosh, you guys make the most gorgeous, gorgeous things. Gorgeous sweaters, gorgeous hats. Oh my gosh, the rugs, like pillows, whatever, everything. Like, I'm just in awe over everything that you guys make. So, to make a rug out of this would be amazing. So if you know of a tutorial that I can watch, or a very, very easy pattern to read, or a combination of the two, and it's really like super beginner friendly, like for somebody who hasn't got a clue, basically, that would be perfect for me, because I really want to crochet, and I want to, like I said, I want to up my crochet game. And instead of knitting it, I really want to crochet, because oh my gosh, there's such amazing, beautiful crochet items out there. The amigurumi, holy moly, the amigurumi is amazing. That a lot of you make, and that I see the pictures, and I'm just so envious. I'm like, yes, I want that. I want to do that. So if you can suggest something down below in the descriptions bar, or the show more bar, I would appreciate that so very much. And thank you for joining me for day 21. It was just amazing. And I will see you tomorrow for day 22. So have yourselves a great day, great evening, whatever time it is for you in your end of the world. And I love you bunches. And see you tomorrow.